Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how to add the LunaBot to your Discord server. So guys, you want to do is go to your own server and click on the server name, and then down click on the server setting. After go to setting, go to scroll down and find app directory and select this and search guys on search bar by LunaBot and with specific keywords this, and make sure this is right bot, and come it and add this bot here, and can also already server we know that is right. Select this here and make sure guys the right server and select continue and scroll down and authorize all this and confirm you are human. After that this bot adds successfully. Guys, I hope this video helpful. Then don't forget like, share this video for more content. See you soon.